Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Agar, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about different species of honeybees and morphology. The first is different species of honeybee. There are four well-known species of true honeybee. Belong to genus Apis. First is rock bee, Apis dorsata. Second is little bee, Apis florea. Third is Asian bee, Apis serena, and European bee, Apis mellifera. Then very important species European bee, Apis mellifera. Then different characters of four well-known species of honeybees. Then first Apis dorsata, nesting. Nesting is open nesting. Apis flora open nesting, and Apis serena is cavity nesting, or Apis mellifera cavity nesting, and similar in habitat to Apis serena. Then second point is distribution in India. Apis dorsata is found in plants as well as hill up to 60-100 meters above sea level, highly migratory, and found in plain up to 30 meters above sea level. Then Apis serena found in India, having 3 subspecies. Exotic Apis mellifera is exotic bee to India, introduced successfully in 1962. It has many subspecies throughout the world. Then size, Apis dorsata is biggest honeybee, 16 to 18 mm, and smallest is Apis bee, 9 to 10 mm. Then Apis mellifera is medium size, 14 to 16 mm. Then swarming Apis dorsata is strong tendency, Apis flora is strong tendency, and Apis serena is also strong tendency, and Apis mellifera only one is only in African subspecies. Then average honeybee yield, Apis dorsata is 40 kg, Apis flora is very little in 500 gram, and Apis serena is 5 kg, and Apis mellifera is 15 kg. The methods of honey extraction. Apis dorsata by sequentially unhygienic, and Apis flora is by sequencing unhygienic, and Apis mellifera is by centrifugal honey extractor from the hived bee. The number of cells per centimeter per column, worker cells. Apis dorsata is 18 to 19, Apis flora is 32 to 36, Apis serena is 21 to 25, Apis mellifera is 17 to 19. The species and taxon of hive bees is a vital of understand distinction between a species and taxon. Species are unit reproductively isolated from one another, and these cannot hybridize, whereas as taxon area under geographically isolated and might hybridize. Then Apis serena. Apis serena is Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir and in northern India. Then Apis serena found in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, South India, and Apis serena Himalayan, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram state, and Meghalaya, eastern component of India. Then Apis mellifera have several taxons which have placed beneath 3 groups: Japetacnops means Japanese, European taxon, and African taxon. Then Eastern European subspecies of Apis mellifera dark Dutch and German bees, Apis mellifera Kenneal bee, and Southern Australia, Apis mellifera is Italian bee. And then stingless honeybee. In addition to honeybees of arthropod genus stingless honeybee additionally give honey that are Melipona species, Trigona species. And then pollen bee is all the honeybee species are unit sensible pollinators besides being honey producer. Additionally to those, they area unit 20,000 species of different bees that facilitate in fecundation. Then morphology of honeybee. Mainly honeybee morphology: head, thorax, and abdomen. Um, then head is a very combined of cockroach and crooked antennae. Two compound eyes on lateral facts of head. Bees are distributed totally different colors. However, area unit red blind and might understand ultraviolet rays. Then head bears three ocelli: simple eye, or on primary portion they understand degree of sunshine. Then head is also two mandibles. Mouth parts are unit hooked up to ventrolateral at the part of head capsule. Mandibles take issue in form in three casted. Then mouth components of employee bees are unit changes for consumption and covering, tongue or proboscis. Then hind or metatarsal leg take issue from alternative legs in being larger in size and with broad two-dimensional type of legs, bone and bitarsus. In employee bee suits somewhat cotyloid outer surface of hind legs, bone in the flanket with long recoiled hairs, and form spore basket or colbula. Then abdomen. Abdomen is the first abdomen phase is united with the metathorax and form anatomically a distinct of thorax, refers to the propodium. Bee fauna has 10 abdominal phases. However, in adult staff abdomen seems 6 segmented 10 to 8 to 10 area unit, reduced in size, and per segment propodium is transferred to thorax throughout the immature stage. Then abdomen bears sting, wax glands, and scant glands, and reproductive organs additionally to alternative workers. Then important anatomical features. Digestive system is exclusive in having gog with expanded honey abdomen that stores the collected nectars. Then reproductive organs are unit absolutely developed in queen and drone, however greatly reduced in employee. And this is a major species of honeybee and its morphology. Thank you.